Good evening, guys. Today is our first night shift. 1 out of 5. Hindi pa nga tayo nakakawan. Vietnamese coffee. Today is the 31st of December and we are working, guys. Mag-New Year tayo sa work. Night shift talaga. Kaloka, meron sana pa fireworks dito ngayon, mga 9 p.m. Pero 9 p.m. yung start ng shift ko kasi, so hindi natin makikita. Sayang. Ay, nako. Pero alam nyo, worth it naman yung pag-work natin sa December to January kasi all the holidays, may shift ako. So, at least na lang, double pay. Pero yun nga, okay sana if morning, para makapag-jump pa tayo sa New Year. Like, masalubong talaga natin yung New Year na outside work. Pero nag-shift talaga ako nalagay eh. So, ayan, gawin na lang natin sa work. Isipin na lang natin na okay naman yung pay today. So, go. Tapos yung holiday dito, 1 day lang. Hindi tulad sa atin, if I remember, 1 and 2 holiday. Ay, hindi 1 and 2, 31 and 1 ata yung holiday. Dito kasi, lang, 1 lang yung holiday.
Ako si Chichi kay night. Ako kay morning ko. Duty na sa madam mo, tarawa ko. Karoon pa mga 5 minutes na lang yan.
Kasi 5 minutes. Happy New Year ninyo, diha, tita! Chinichika ni Michelle, ako talaga yung tao na hindi daw talaga nag-i-early sa work. Dapat on the dot. Dapat on the dot or konting late. Hindi. Ayaw ko talaga mag-early, guys. Gusto ko talaga on the dot or like very few minutes na lang before start ng work. Hand over tapos work na agad. Ganyan na talaga ako. Happy New Year! Pa kayo ba? Happy New Year to everyone! Sama ko kayo sa toilet. Happy New Year, everyone! Oh my God! Grabe! So many adventures na nangyari sa atin sa 2024 and I'm so glad na nakita niyo lahat yon, mga travels natin. And we are not able to go home this year, which is very strange na nagtatrabaho tayo New Year at saka Christmas at saka New Year. Pero overall, I am still so happy na very blessed pa rin talaga tayo kasi. So, I'm just really happy and really grateful sa lahat na nangyari natin. All the learnings, the growth. I would really say, akong tiyan, sige natin. I would really say yung growth talaga. Na-feel ko talaga na I have grown. Not physically, but I have really grown as a person. I am so proud of myself. ng dahil dyan. Like, nakakatuwa lang. So, ayun. Thank you so much, guys. May you continue to support me sa ating 2025. There's gonna be a lot of things that's gonna happen in 2025, guys. So watch out for that. I'm so happy na I'm gonna bring you along with my journey. Basta, ang dami mangyayari sa 2025. And I promise that all the plans that I've written, they're gonna happen. I'm very sure they're gonna happen. So, ayan. Excited! Let's heat this up, guys, and kain na tayo. Ang dami ko na. Guys, good evening! Magpipiknik kami ngayon. Aming dala is manok! Lechon manok! Look! Sobrang malalaking manok. Look at the manok! Yum! But isn't just lubot. Ay, di ko lubot. Kere na niya usara siya ay kanang-kanira.
Muli, galing na.
Muli, how? After mo nibutan dito sa likod. Sige, sa babaw naman ganyan ako pang cover. Kaya okay na kayong anak. So, dala ko na yung aking uniform, guys, just in case mag-enjoy kami at matagalan kami. Doon sa garden, Lennox Garden daw kami mamili. Ewan ko ba kung saan yan, hindi pa kami nakapunta niyan. And then, yun nga, we're gonna bring our manok. And lahat ng mga dadalhin ko na pa-work, dadalhin ko na lang din. Bye guys! Happy New Year! Happy New Year, Michelle! Hala, hindi siya happy sa New Year, guys.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's
andito na kami. Asa na yung mga bruhan na yun?
you never break,
Saan sila, oy?
you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I
Actually, kamay lang tayo doon.
to be left behind? I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop. Can't stop. Yeah, yeah. You never lose an argument, so I've been trying hard to.
Ay, gusto ni John magpa-feature. Yan pala si John. Siya si Lawrence. At siya si Marietta. At siya si Sam. At siya si Heps. At siya si Michelle.
Hi, vlog! Vlog!
Napaka-demure naman.
Please like and subscribe.
Di ba?
Support mo yung friend.
Oo, mag-follow na ako.
Hirap sila magbanggit yung pangalan mo lagi sa...
Tapos na yung aming picnic, guys. It was so fun. Nag-vent out.
yung mga ducks.
Asa ba? Pag-sure ba? Nag-vent out yung mga teta nyo. Yung isa pala doon is permanent staff. Ayun, nakakatuwa. And I'm working. So, doon na ako sa work mag-uniform, guys. Dala ko naman lahat na. Pero yung sapatos ko, para akong halar nito.
Parang hindi mo na sa car.
shift is over. Tapos na. Pero, may isa pa bukas. 5 nights tayo, guys. So, it's been a struggle. Pero, okay lang yan. Malapit na talagang matapos. Papakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. This is actually my last purchase sa 2024. Ngayon ko lang siya ma-open sa inyo. Ito ba? Very nice yung ating package from Fix. So, uniform, guys. This is my last purchase sa 2024 uniform. Okay. What I bought is the same one. Nasuot ko ngayon. Bumili ako ng another pair, guys. This is the Fix na navy blue. Ito talaga suot ko ngayon. And then the pants as well. So, I'm not gonna try this on kasi kita nyo na naman to sa aking mga vlogs. So, that's the one. Another pair kasi if you go to bigger hospitals kasi, mas prefer talaga nila na navy blue yung uniform or either black. Pero nung nasa Mildura ako, nasa Victoria ako, kahit anong kulay guys, pwede. As in, pero dito na sobrang laki ng hospital, mas gusto talaga nila blue. Okay lang naman para, you know, hindi ka naman sobrang bright and very eye-catching na ikaw talaga ang pinaka-colorful na staff. Anyway, I also bought a compression socks. Kasi it's very important sa aking paa na lagi na lang sumasakit. So, this one. Ay, ano ba yun? So, ayan. Yay! I love this. Ang cute ng color. This is really good, guys. I feel like, bakit ngayon ko palang na pag-isipan na mag-compression socks? When I was in New Zealand, grabe talaga, very heavy talaga yung work. From start to finish talaga, nakatayo ka lang. Wala akong ginamit na compression socks. Okay na yan ng mga purchase. For sure, tama na yan. Another shift tonight, guys. I'm gonna vlog later, but as of now, matutulog ako ng diretsyo. Wala na akong gagawin. Hindi na ako mag-watch ng movie. At kung ano-ano pa, matutulog na tayo at mag-rest tayo para more energy tayo later. Guys, muntik ko nang machika sa inyo na our secret was revealed earlier. Nakakaloka talaga. So, isa sa mga kasama natin kanina, guys, alam pala niya na nagbablog ako. So, sabi ko, tapos shinare niya sa group before kami dumating ni Michelle kasi kami yung pinakalas na dumating. So, pagdating namin, nung chinika na, "Uy, vlogger ka pala!" Gumanon yung iba namin mga kasama. Sabi ko, bakit nyo alam? Kaya pala, alam pala niya. So, sobra talagang awkward kasi you know naman, I really try my best to keep it to myself na nagbablog ako. Kasi nagta-travel nurse tayo, we go from one place to another. I'm really hoping na sa contract ko, walang makarecognize sa akin kasi gusto ko naman na I have a life outside of this vlogging thing na walang nakaka-recognize sa akin. I can just be me. Medyo hindi ako marunong mag-react na, you know, malaman nila nagbablog ako kasi iniisip ko talaga agad, baka i-search nila yung pangalan ko, baka malaman nila yung live ko, and ayoko kasi, dapat friends tayo, buddy-buddy lang tayo dito. I don't wanna be under a microscope na, vlogger yan siya. Ito pala yung life niya before siya napunta dito. Ayoko nang ganun. So, anyway, wala na akong magagawa, guys. Alam na nila. Ang cute-cute ng mga reactions nila. Kaya in-include ko sila dito sa vlog. Kasi, yun nga, yung isa, parang katuwaan lang din namin na, may pa-feature mo ako sa vlog. Parang gaganon-ganon. And yeah, they're actually very supportive, I would say. Pero yun, nakakatuwa lang talaga. It is what it is. So, alam na, secret has been revealed. And itong mga taong to, yung kasama namin, yan din yung nakaka-vibe namin kasi sa work. So, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Na dapat secret lang to, pero wala na akong magagawa. So, ayun yung na-happen, guys. Yung iniisip ko na lang, everyone's busy. Everyone is just very hardworking. Nagtatrabaho kami pag day off namin, or kahit hindi day off, gumagala kami. So, I'm really hoping na wala sila masyadong time na i-search yung aking vlog at makita yung buhay-buhay ko. So, ayan lang. But yeah, the secret is out.